Stupid video shut off. How come? Well, that totally sucks. Oh well. Okay, there's a spring missing right here. This little détente goes into that little groove right there. And this could go together. This bites because that video shut off. That really bites. Because I don't edit my videos, so I don't know how to splice all that in there. So it's ruined. I have to put it up in two parts, I think. Whoops. Almost went together nicely. That's got to be pushed up. That won't go. Still won't go. It's got to come apart. Make sure these two pins are sticking out almost the same distance, I would imagine, on each side. Stick them in there. Again, why? Why is it doing that? Stick them in there first. Yes. That worked. Let's test on it here 1 second. Cap. Line that up. Push it. Push it on. Flawless. That goes on there. Toss it back in the bag. I don't know if they need the key or not, but I'm sticking that in there. That's it. That is it. I'll see you later.